Hi kids! Welcome to Smart Kids channel. Are you ready for some fun? Hello kids! Today we are going to learn how to write the letter.
Letter A. Left slanting line from top to bottom left. Right slanting line from top to bottom right. Middle sleeping line from left to right. Letter A.
Capital.
Letter A.
Simple.
Letter A. Ladder B standing line from top to bottom. Small right curve from top to middle right. Small right curve from middle to bottom right.
Letter B. Capital. Letter B. Simple. Letter B.
Letter C. Can you write with me? Left curved line from top to bottom left.
Letter C.
Capital.
Letter C.
Simple.
Letter C.
Letter D. Standing line from top to bottom. Big right curve from top to bottom right.
Letter D. Capital. Letter D. Simple. Letter D.
Letter E. Standing line from top to bottom. Sleeping line top from left to right. Sleeping line middle from left to right. Sleeping line bottom from left to right.
Letter E. Capital. Letter E. Simple. Letter E.
Letter F. Standing line from top to bottom. Sleeping line top from left to right. Sleeping line middle from left to right.
Letter F. Capital. Letter F. Simple. Letter F.
Letter G. Curved line from top to bottom left. Sleeping line from middle right to inside.
Letter G. Capital. Letter G. Simple. Letter G.
Letter H. Standing line left from top to bottom. Standing line right from top to bottom. Middle sleeping line from left to right.
Letter H. Capital. Letter H. Simple. Letter H.
Letter I. Small sleeping line top from left to right. Standing line from top to bottom. Small sleeping line. Bottom from left to right.
Letter I. Letter I. Capital. Letter I. Simple. Letter I.
Letter J. Small sleeping line top from left to right. Curved line from top right to bottom left.
Letter J. Letter J. Capital. Letter J. Simple. Letter J.
Letter K. Standing line from top to bottom. Right slanting line. Upper from middle to top right. Right slanting line. Lower from middle to bottom right.
Letter K. Letter K. Capital. Letter K. Simple. Letter K.
Letter L. Standing line from top to bottom. Sleeping line from left to right.
Capital. Letter L. Simple. Letter L.
Letter M. Standing line, draw a straight line from top to bottom on the left side. Right slanting line, Start from the top left and go down to the middle bottom. Left slanting line. Move up to the top right from middle bottom. Standing line. Draw a straight line from top to bottom on the right side.
Letter M. Letter M. Capital. Letter M. Simple. Letter M.
Letter N, standing line, left from top to bottom. Right slanting line from top left to bottom right. Standing line, right from top to bottom.
Letter N. Capital. Letter N. Simple. Letter N.
Letter O, curved line from top left to bottom right.
Capital. Letter O. Simple. Letter O.
Letter P, standing line from top to bottom. Small curved line from top to middle right.
Letter P. Letter P. Capital. Letter P. Simple. Letter P.
Letter Q, curved line from top left to bottom right. Small slanting line from bottom right to bottom left.
Capital. Letter Q. Simple. Letter Q.
Letter R, standing line from top to bottom. Small curved line from top to middle right. Right slanting line from middle to bottom right.
Letter R. Capital. Letter R. Simple. Letter R.
Letter S, small curved line. Top from left to middle right. Small curved line, bottom, from middle left to bottom right.
Letter S. Capital. Letter S. Simple. Letter S.
Letter T, sleeping line from left to right. Standing line from top to bottom.
Letter T. Capital. Letter T. Simple. Letter T.
Letter U, standing line, left from top to bottom. Curved line, bottom, from bottom left to bottom right. Standing line right, from bottom to top.
Capital. Letter U. Simple. Letter U.
Letter V, left slanting line from top to bottom left. Right slanting line from bottom left to top right.
Letter V. Capital. Letter V. Simple. Letter V.
Letter W, left slanting line from top to bottom. Left, right slanting line from bottom left to top middle left. Slanting line from top middle to bottom right. Right slanting line from bottom right to top right.
Letter W. Simple. Letter W.
Letter X, right slanting line from top left to bottom. Right, left slanting line from top right to bottom left.
Letter X. Capital. Letter X. Simple. Letter X.
Letter Y, right slanting line from top left to middle right. Left slanting line from top right to middle left. Standing line from middle to bottom.
Letter Y. Capital. Letter Y. Simple. Letter Y.
Latter Z, sleeping line, top from left to right. Right slanting line from top right to bottom left. Sleeping line, bottom from left to right.
Letter Z. Capital. Letter Z. Simple. Letter Z. Great job, kids! You did amazing learning numbers today. Keep practicing and have fun counting everything around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more exciting adventures. See you soon, little learners. Bye-bye for now. 1, 2, 3.